that someone put. I'll show it to you guys. It's basically saying that is what covering their ass looks like. Closing long positions to cover the GME loss. The effects of 140% naked shorting, not Wall Street bet. So everything, all sectors all around were red, as you can see. Why? The hedge funds were taking out their long positions, closing them out to cover their losses on GME.
I mean, on a global standpoint, the stock market, especially the New York Stock Exchange, has been put on a pedestal than larger ever before. There was known to be a lot of corruption that was happening amongst Wall Street and hedge funds, but now it's just brought to a complete global standpoint. There's billboards being brought out to buy GameStop, CNN's covering it, MSNBC's covering it, CNBC's covering it, CNN's covering it, Fox News is covering it, Fox Business is covering it. Every single person is buying GameStop, getting on Robinhood. All this, it's just now a global thing. It's more large than it ever has been before. So on a global standpoint, the stock market is going to be more popular than ever. There's going to be more calls made. There's going to be more puts made. Short positions are going to be bought out even more. Like, this is just the beginning of something massive.
This whole week has defined 2021 as the meme stomp year. Now, with this trading going viral and everyone learning about options, we've got an influx of people that are not educated, that don't know what the heck they're doing, and they're just depositing their savings, their life savings, some of them, into Robinhood brokers or Thinkorswim or whatever broker, and they have no idea what they're doing, and they don't know that even if you just press one different button, instead of buy a call, you press sell a call, now you have infinite losses and you're short the stock just by the difference of one button.
Yes, a retail investor can take advantage of what's happening right now, but more likely than not, they're going to get their asses taken from them, honestly. Wall Street is waiting for this. They are just licking their lips ready. Like Nadeem was saying about the high frequency traders, they've been taking advantage of the market. They've been taking advantage of the game for years upon years upon years, and now a whole bunch of people have all these deluded dreams that GameStop is going to keep on going, AMC is going to keep on going, which they are, but there's somebody that's going to be holding the bag, and these retail investors are more likely than not going to be the ones holding the bag. Because when you start playing with millions of dollars, and you start playing with billions of dollars, and you start playing with hundreds of billions of dollars like these Wall Street hedge funds are, you start planning out, 2021, 2022, 2027. They already have their agenda set, and more likely than not, they have a backup plan for this. Like Melvin Capital, I don't know what's happening with them. Citron, I don't know what's happening with them. But when you start playing with big volume, you're not talking about a $600 stimmy. All right, we're not talking about no $1,400 stimmy. We're talking about billions, baby, with B's. They're gonna come for you, so be careful. If you're a retail investor, you can make some money, but odds are against you that you're gonna lose your behind in the markets this week.
So our mission here, we want to definitely educate everyone that's coming in so fast into the trading world, because now that it's viral, it's here to stay. Volatility, we were saying, these high frequency traders are gonna have a picnic. They are gonna take a picnic every single day on these retail traders, because they don't know that the stock price, it might stay the same throughout the day, but the display is actually changing constantly, because they're taking advantage of the spreads. If the bid and the ask is $1 difference, they're making all that difference every single time that you're placing a trade. So really take a look into high frequency trading, the risks of options, do some research, look at the stocks that are being ignored right now, and they're gonna compensate in a month or two, which real investing is that's what it's about. It's actually patience, the science of getting paid. Patience, science of getting paid. So if you're waiting, you're calm, you've got faith in your positions, it's easier to hold. It's easier to diamond hand through the rough or through the dips, because you have faith in this company that you put your money into. So 2 or 3 months, all these cycles are gonna go back, and the real companies that are making the real money, that have cash flow, that have assets, that have a good balance sheet, those are gonna be the ones that end up on top.
MyStockLife is gonna get like 8,000 new members in our Discord. Our TikTok is gonna grow to like 30, 40,000. and people are going to be wanting to learn more and more about what's going on in stocks. So just an influx of new traders. Like I've gotten more text messages asking me how to trade than I have ever received before. And so this next week, what I see is just an influx of new people, new money, new stimulus. Calls are going to be going up, puts are going to be going up, more implied volatility is going to be going up. It's going to be going crazy in the markets. GME to the moon, I feel like it's just going to keep on going. It's probably going to hit 1,000, but don't quote me on this. Maybe, like you said, time either promotes you or exposes you. AMC is going to keep going up. The meme stock culture is not going to go anywhere. I think it's going to be another 2-4 weeks before we see another, like a serious correction or a serious dip down, but that's my prediction for this next week. Oh, you know where you need to be to get all this info. Right here, baby. MyStockLife, baby. That's where
the
exactly
Dream Team Utopia Exchange.
You need to be in that Discord. Okay, you need to be on the TikTok. Okay, you need to be on that Twitter. Okay, you need to be listening to Dr. Love's calls. Mr. Rickster, you need to be up on T's plays. All right, Mr. Option Sniper right here is gonna give you the goods. All right, your boy Tristan, Mr. Guap the Bouncer, gonna be regulating. That's for sure.
Looking for the bounces.
Yeah. So if you're looking for guidance, if you're looking for teaching, if you're looking for a community, you need to make sure that your teachers have results. And it's my stock life or no life, baby.
Hey.
My stock life or no life. So when we look at the official listings, it says Baby Mario, first name, all right? And then who were you using?
I was Tanuki.
Tanuki, yeah, Tanoke, all right. Yeah, Baby Mario, baby.